Well, the Supreme Court, after conducting marathon hearings in the matter of the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act 2023, has finally decided to uphold the law. Now, while we are constrained from commenting on the merits of the decision, given that the Supreme Court is yet to pass a detailed order, and given that the Supreme Court has presently only decided the matter through a short order, there are nonetheless certain important observations that may be made with respect to the Supreme Court's short order today. The first issue which is perhaps apparent, is that Chief Justice Qazi Faiz Issa and other judges of the Supreme Court, including Justice Mansoor Ali Shah, had been speaking against the Chief Justice's unbridled and unfettered powers, especially the Chief Justice's power to constitute benches. We saw earlier during Chief Justice Bandial's tenure, Justice Mansoor Ali Shah spoke about putting an end to the Chief Justice's one-man show. So this judgment is perhaps consistent with the view that these judges espoused earlier. The other important aspect of the judgment is that in the past few years, we have seen an increasing polarization amongst judges of the apex court. And there was a perception that judges who belong to these supposed or imagined camps could not work with judges of the opposing camp. Nonetheless, through this judgment, we see that Justice Yahya Afridi, who, for example, was considered to be a part of the camp led by Chief Justice Qazi Faiz Issa, we saw Justice Yahya Afridi disagree with the Chief Justice on the issue of the right to appeal under the Practice and Procedure Act. Similarly, we saw that Justices Mazhar and Justice Rizvi, who were considered to be close to the camp opposing Justice Qazi Faiz Issa, they agreed with the Chief Justice Qazi Faiz Issa and other judges belonging to the supposed other camp. So I think this judgment is also a sign that the polarization that characterized the Supreme Court in the past few years is improving, and that judges, notwithstanding their differences on other issues, are also willing to and able to collaborate and work together on certain issues.